Hello, I am happy to announce the coming launch of the ISO Good Standardization Practices e-learning course. This was developed by ISO and UNIDO together, with generous contributions from the Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency, SIDA, and the Swiss State Secretariat for Economic Affairs, SECO. ISO's vision is to make lives easier, safer, and better. We do this by bringing together experts from all around the world to agree on and develop international standards that respond to global challenges. Among our key priorities for achieving ISO 2030 strategic goals are strengthening our members through capacity building and advancing inclusivity and diversity in the ISO system. We want all voices to be heard. We place high importance on providing training and support to our members to enhance their knowledge and skills on implementing the ISO Good Standardization Practices, GSP. By bringing members up to date with best international practices, we help them improve their processes for developing national standards and enable them to play a more important role in the international standardization environment.
UNIDO and ISO have been partnering for over 40 years. Both organizations share the mission of promoting sustainable economic and industrial development. One of our key areas of collaboration focuses on enabling developing countries to participate more actively in developing and adopting international standards. This involves a variety of joint efforts and projects, including capacity building activities and trainings. Standards play a vital role in facilitating international trade and improving the quality, safety, health, and environmental aspects of products, services, and systems. The standards development process must adhere to best practice to increase the effectiveness and efficiency of their standards development organizations. The Good Standardization Practices e-learning will help countries to define their own national standards in such a way that they can adhere to international standards while allowing for local considerations. Ultimately, this will help their public and private sectors improve their quality infrastructure systems, benefit consumers, and boost industrialization. As UNIDO, we are a proud supporter of this joint initiative.
ISO's Committee on Developing Country Matters, DEVCO, works with developing countries to identify their standardization and national quality infrastructure needs and requirements and to define actions to meet them. The ISO Action Plan, therefore, for developing countries is the overall framework for delivering technical assistance and training support to country members. One of the expected outputs in the current action plan is the acquisition of knowledge and skills on ISO's Good Standardization Practices, now known as GSP. The capacity-building activities to achieve this output consists of various technical assistance projects and deliverables, including an e-learning course. This ISO GSP e-learning course is designed to meet these very requirements. Together with other capacity-building activities, this e-learning course will help to deliver the desired result of empowering ISO's developing country members to contribute positively and actively to the ISO system and fully realize the benefits of using ISO standards to achieve positive results in the economic, social, and environmental dimensions of sustainable development.
The Capacity Building Program under the ISO Action Plan for Developing Countries supports our members to fully benefit from international standards. This is achieved by applying internationally recognized standardization practices, by developing standardization plans that address national priorities, and by participating more effectively in the standard setting process. The Capacity Building Unit places a strong emphasis on digital learning. The ISO Good Standardization Practices e-learning course is developed in response to the needs expressed by our members in developing countries. It provides them with a digital learning experience they can go through at their own pace, own time and place. This course provides detailed guidance on the best way to develop and to publish standards based on an international expert's first-hand knowledge and experience. Together with the ISO GSP diagnostic tool, it will help national standards bodies, their experts and their stakeholders to improve their knowledge and their skills, but also to apply what they've learned to identify and address areas of improvement in GSP implementation. The GSP course, together with our other capacity building initiatives under the Action Plan for Developing Countries, will increase effective participation at both the governance and also the technical levels. This will enhance the global relevance of ISO standards.